Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create stock bar chart in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, product name and total price. So to create stock bar chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the first chart option, insert column or bar chart. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here in 2D bar there are three type of 2D bar is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the second one is a stock bar chart. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see your stock bar chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Here you can see the product name you're showing and the total price is showing below in horizontal, and in vertical showing the product name. Okay, and this is your stock bar. So I just drag and increase the size of this stock bar chart. And if you want to change the style of the chart, go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you just keep cursor on it and see the preview of the chart style. Okay, see the preview and just click on it to apply the chart style. Okay, if you want to remove this chart title, then go to the chart design tab. In chart layouts, click on the first option, add chart element. Click on the option, click on this drop down arrow and click on the chart title and click on the none. And here you can see title is removed. Okay, and if you want to change the layout, go to the chart design and chart layout group, click on the second option, quick layout. And here you can see the different types of layout is available. When you keep cursor on, see the changes on the stock bar chart and you can see the different layout here available. I select this one. See the layout it changed. Okay. So this is the way you can easily change the layout also. If you want to move this chart in different sheet, you can easily move this. I just add here the one sheet number. Okay, sheet number 2. And now I'm going to move this chart. Go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move chart option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. Just click on the second option, Object E, and click on the drop down arrow and click on the sheet number 2. Okay, click on the OK, and that's it. Here you can see in sheet number 2, it charts move. In sheet number 1, you can see here this chart not showing. Okay, so this is a way you can move your chart also in another sheet in same Excel file. Okay, if you want to change the chart type, again go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. You can select here the any other charts also. So here I select in bar. The selected chart is a stock bar. And here I'm going to change the chart type 100% stock bar. Just click on it and here you can see the preview of the chart, and after that click on OK. So this is a way you can change your chart type also. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.